I received this 2-in-1 compressed air duster and cordless vacuum as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it and testing out both functions so you can see how it performs. This is a handheld device that works as both a powerful air blower and a vacuum with a high-speed motor rated up to 180,000 RPM and a large 10,000 mAh battery. It's cordless, rechargeable, and designed for use around the house, in the car, outside, or anywhere you need a quick cleanup. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly and organized. Inside the box, you get the main unit along with the attachments and accessories. The first thing I noticed is how compact it is. It's small enough to hold comfortably in one hand, but it feels solid and well built. The design is simple and easy to understand. The buttons are clearly labeled, the attachments connect easily, and it doesn't feel complicated to switch between blower and vacuum modes. In this video, I tested the blower function outside in the yard, and it actually worked really well for moving leaves and debris. For such a compact tool, the airflow is surprisingly strong. It's nice to have something portable like this for a quick outdoor cleanup without dragging out a full-size blower. After that, I switched to the vacuum function to clean hard-to-reach spots like behind plants and along window sills. This is where the smaller size really shines. You can get into tight areas that bigger vacuums can't reach easily, and it's much easier to control in small spaces. The LED light on the unit is a helpful addition too. It lights up the area that you're working on so you can see dust and debris more clearly, especially in corners or shaded spots. The battery capacity is another strong point. With a 10,000 mAh battery, it has plenty of runtime for small cleaning tasks without needing constant recharging. Since it's cordless, you can carry it anywhere without worrying about outlets or cords getting in the way. One feature I really liked is that when I finished vacuuming, I was able to use the air duster side to blow out the filter. That made cleanup really easy and saved time because I didn't need another tool to clean it. Switching attachments is quick and straightforward, and everything locks in securely so it doesn't feel loose when you're using it. The overall build quality feels sturdy and designed for regular use. This is one of those tools that's really versatile. You can use it in your car, around the house, outdoors, in workshops, or anywhere you need quick cleanup. Instead of needing separate tools for blowing and vacuuming, you get both functions in one device. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The 2-in-1 air duster and vacuum is compact, powerful for its size, easy to use, and really convenient for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. Being able to switch between blowing and vacuuming and even clean the filter with it afterward makes it a very practical tool to have around.